Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia G20 and today I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works in this smartphone. So we can find fingerprint sensor on the right edge, it's synchronized with power key, and let's make few tries and let's see how the sensor perform. So as you can see, after touching fingerprint sensor we have to wait a little bit. So for sure it's not the fastest sensor that you can find in any smartphone, but it works not bad. Right now the good point is that the sensor recognizes my fingerprint every time, as you can see. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.